customers list in a QuickBooks keeps track of all your customers and customers' information. For example, the customers list keeps tracks of billing addresses and shipping addresses for customers. In QuickBooks, choose Customer. You also click Home, then Customer, and Customer Center. QuickBooks display the Customer Center window. To add a new customer, click the New Customer, New Customers and Job, then New Customer. QuickBooks display the New Customer window. Enter a short name in Customer Name text box. Example, Ernie. You don't need to enter the customer's full name in the text box. You just want to some abbreviate a version of the customer's name that you can use to refer the customers within the QuickBooks accounting system. Ignore the opening balance as of text boxes. Although the usual rule is that you don't want to set an opening balance for a customers, this rule has an important exemption. You record your accounts receivable balance on the conversion date by setting an opening balance for each customers as of the conversion date. In the text boxes of the addresses info tab, enter the company name. Edge, example, Edge Apparel. This text boxes covers contact information, billing and shipping, contact name, contact phone, fax, number, and so on. Click the Additional Info tab. On this tab, QuickBooks displays several other fields that you can use to collect and store customer information. If you want to add some fields, you can click the Define Fields, then label it. Example, birthday. You want to know the customer's birthday. Then click the box, then OK. OK again. Then you can see the customers. Birthday. January 2, 1992. Then OK. You can see the name of Ernie is in the left side of this customer center. If you click Ernie, you can see the additional info you want to see to these customers. That's it. Okay.